Hey guys, it's coming up to 8 p.m. Brisbane time on Monday, the 1st of May, and I have found my next opponent, and that is Euro Yen. Now, on Friday, the Bank of Japan, under the new helm, basically kept their very easy monetary policy at bay, and the market was expecting some sort of a walking back on that easing monetary policy, maybe some tweaking to the yield curve, maybe some sort of information about when interest rates are going to start rising, but we heard none of that, and that saw the yen being sold off quite sharply. And one of my favorite opponents at the moment that has the yen crosses in them is euro yen. And let me show you why. So I want to start with the monthly chart and zoom out just a bit here on the monthly chart. And what we can see here is this level. This is the high of December 2014. I'm just gonna mark that area, and what we can see that last month, which basically ended on Friday action, has actually closed above that level, and then we traded slightly over it. So basically we broke that very important high. So we can see also on the monthly chart we do have a beautiful uptrend here, and of course we're overextended. So we are due a bit of a pullback, and that is what I'm looking for. So let's drill down into lower time frame, and here on the weekly we'll just take a look at this area. We sort of have a push, consolidation, and another push. So any kind of pullback into that consolidation area will be quite nice. So let's move into the daily and a bit more information on this fight. And here I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement from the latest low to the high, and we can see that this 50% retracement is clustering very nicely with these two rejections level. Now what I'd like to also do is mark this area and see what else we had at that area. Why did we actually react to that level? But before we do that, see how this Friday candle basically just charged above these two rejection candle, completely breaking any amount of sellers that were sitting here. So what I'm looking for, and when I'm going to start looking at this opponent quite closely in the eyes, it's going to be around this area. So let's take a look. Where is this area on the weekly chart? And as we can see, this was the previous high, and it was this high which was set in October last year, and you can see this was the predominant high on this chart before we broke higher. So again, some sort of a point of memory on this chart. So coming back into the daily and into this area, if the market will keep on going higher, so be it. I'll still be waiting. I'll still be looking for a way in with this market. I am looking for a release of this strong buying momentum, a bit of sellers to come in, some profit taking maybe, and then push the price lower into this area. At this area, I will be drilling down to lower time frame to time my offense, because it's not just being able to punch and kick, it's also the timing of when I'm able to do that. So I'm looking at a lower time frame for a better timing of my attack. Now, as for potential knockout, I'd love to see the market giving me another higher high. However, if I'll see that the market is struggling as it pushes around this area, then I might just take a point swing on this one. But that remains to be seen. First, I need to get into the ring, then I need to start sussing my attack around this area, and then go for the knockout. Now guys, if you want to know the outcome of this fight, any other fights that I'm taking, or any fight updates, then smash, kick, or punch the notification button, and I will also add links to the fight updates and the outcomes once they're over in the description below. Happy knockouts everybody! Bye for now!